Hey YouTube, just gonna make a quick video of my new truck. It's an 01 Dodge Cummins 24 valve. Nothing too special, but what I've been wanting. Pretty much stock. At one point it did have a chip. You can see the holes there where it had been mounted. It doesn't right now. So my front injector's leaking a little. Not much to say about it. Pretty much stock under the hood. It's been straight piped. Yesterday I put a 4-inch chrome stack in it. I'm gonna do a little sound test for you. They said it had a 5-inch lift. Has Rancho shocks, steering stabilizer. I don't know if it's really 5 inches. Those are only 33s. But they're on offset wheels. You can see they stick out pretty good. There's the stack. Not much else. There's my old truck. Trying to sell it right now. So, but pretty much stock, other than the lift and the exhaust. Kind of a nasty rainy day here, so I'm gonna do a little sound test. Just put the stack in yesterday. Truck's really dirty, but $200,000. Take it for a little drive. Side windows up so we don't get as much wind noise. Open up the back. Let's go. Loud with that back window open, but when you close it, it's not too bad. Slow down a little bit here so we can get a good run. It doesn't really smoke too much yet because it's pretty much stock, no injectors, no pump, no chips, so doesn't really smoke, but it sounds pretty damn good. You can see there's a little play in my steering, but I'm kind of used to it. See if I can do a little brake boost in here if there's not many cars. Not too bad. I love the sound, that's what counts. Thanks for watching.